I think when we're looking at the governance issues, there are a couple of things that fit into the bioeconomy discussion. One of them is the units of planning, which I think are important. For example, today we're planning mainly based on administrative structures, and they might not be as useful when we're talking about the bioeconomy as if we were planning from bioregions. Bioregions, because there are sub-units where we can actually measure and monitor the impacts of our economic and development activities. So that's one component. And the other component, I think, is what we choose to measure. In which case, what it means is that what are the politicians given as a mandate to develop? And how do we monitor whether we are being successful or not? If you think about it, we're talking a lot about the well-being of people, the well-being of the planet, but if we're not measuring that as an output from the processes that we have entrusted the politicians to manage, then we will have difficulties in terms of transitioning towards this new bioeconomy. I think that a lot of people are already engaging. What they may be lacking is to bring their ideas together and the platform for them to bring their ideas together. We meet a lot of people who are having very small local initiatives, but there is no link in most cases between those small local initiatives with the bigger decision making that is happening at the city level or even at the regional level. And a lot of people, I think, including some of us who work with engaging people, we still have this hesitation in terms of, if we engage a lot of people, how do we then manage what we get from those people? And of course, how do we manage the expectations that comes out of that? But we have the tools to manage, and today we have social media, we have internet-based tools for engaging larger stakeholders. But people will engage, and if they engage, they want to see the results of their engagement. So we need to feed back to them what is happening as a result of the engagement that they've been. I think definitely yes. In terms of being a link between the decision makers, and one of the major issues I think that we have today is the fact that at the regional level, at least I personally don't see who is managing the bigger questions. So a forum like this could be a link between those people that should be managing the bigger questions, like for example, we're talking about forestry, we talk about water issues, we talk about energy, what are the interrelations between these issues, and we talk about food production. And a forum like this could bring those people who have the responsibility to manage these things together and hopefully come up with a common agenda for how we move forward.